With sprint cars always turning left, because what we're looking to do is put stagger into the race car to help them get through the middle of the corner as fast as possible. So you generally leave the same right rear tyre in the car and you look to change the left rear. Now, what stagger is the difference in circumference between the right rear and the left rear. And in simple terms, the faster the racetrack is, the more hooked up the racetrack is, the more stagger you're going to put on the car to help the car turn, because generally the car will want to go straight ahead. The slower the track is, dustier, slicker, you take stagger off, you put a bigger left rear on, because you want to keep the car straight. You don't want the car to spin out. And when we get to the left rear, tyre pressures, we're talking anywhere here 5 or 6 pounds. Again, very low. The beadlock, like the right rear, works on the left side to stop that tyre rolling off the wheel at extremely low pressures. Now with these low pressures and running on dirt, there is a fair bit of wheel spin, so the crew chiefs use these. They're called bleed offs. Because what happens is the bleed off is set into the center of the axle, it's plugged into the wheel, there's a diaphragm in there which will keep the tyre at exactly the pressure you want. You think about it, if you're running 5 pound in a left rear and it goes up 1 pound, you've got a 20% change in air pressure. So that upsets the balance and the setup of your race car. As well as air pressure increases in this tyre, that tyre is growing and changing the stagger that you want it to have. So the bleed off, tyre pressures, tyre compounds, it's all a very important component.